Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we discuss the big mistake of Filecoin holders. Absolutely, my friends, at this time the Filecoin holders doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you are a holder, so this video is very important for all of you, and remember to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's see the latest update of the Filecoin. After that we discuss the mistake of the Filecoin. What is the mistake and what's going on at this time in the Filecoin? You can see here the latest price of the Filecoin at this time is 71.09 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Filecoin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Filecoin, so absolutely now from the last 1 hour pricing is negative, so that's mean that from the last 1 hour the price of the Filecoin is fast downwards and they start falling down. So maybe my friends they fast down for 2 days. After 2 days they will again start jumping, because as you know it is the end of month, and the end of month the every cryptocurrency is fast down. The price of the every cryptocurrency is fast down. Same like that the Cardano XRP Ripple coin price is also fast down, friends. So that is why the Filecoin price is fast down due to the end of month, my friends. But don't worry, you can see the last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is negative positive, so that's mean that you are in the profit at this time. Let's see what's going on. Oh my goodness, absolutely a very bad depth occur in the Filecoin. My friends, if you look the price change occur in the Filecoin, so negative 53.44%, the price is fast down, my friends, in the last 1 month, my friends. On the other side, if we look the highest, oh my goodness, approximately a 90 plus US dollar fast occurs in the last 1 month, my friends. So just imagine the loss. Just imagine the 90 plus USD dollar loss occurs at this time. Please, my friends, I personally recommend for all of you is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month pricing is negative. And you can see the last 1 month the highest price is 168, and now the current price you can see is 70 USD dollars. So absolutely you are in the great loss. Don't decide to sell. On the other side, if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates video.